Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to withdraw crypto from Changelly on mobile. Now here is our Changelly app, and what you'll need to do is to locate the transactions button. The transactions button is a green button at the bottom center of your screen. So here you can see both arrows going up and down diagonally, and you can tap on it. Now here you'll see 2 or 3 options. In our case, we have 2, buy and exchange. But in other cases, you will see the sell option. Now this is different on this device because of geographic locations and restrictions. So you need to take note of that. If you're not seeing it, then that's pretty much up to your location. However, if you like to withdraw, you'll see the sell option if that is applicable in your area. Now, since we don't have sell right now, this is what you just simply need to do. Simply tap on the sell, and let's pretend that we have the sell here. We're going to tap on buy as if it's the sell button. And once you tap on it, it's going to take you to a new page where you're going to basically choose what you'd like to sell and the destination where you'd like to sell the cryptocurrency to. It's as simple as making a withdrawal or a sell of your crypto to another crypto address. So by following these steps and tapping on the transactions button, tapping on sell, if you do have it activated for your country, you will see the sell button and you can go ahead with the steps which are easy to follow and conclude your transaction. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to withdraw crypto from Changelly on mobile.